Okay, here at the Cyli Cart booth, I've got Jan Meyer. He's the owner and founder of Cyli Cart, new member company. First question for you, Jan. What makes Cyli Cart different than other cylinder cart brands?
Well, I was looking for a way to transport cylinders where you didn't have to tilt them to move them from one place to another. And the magnet came to mind. And then I had to decide what kind of magnet to use to attach to the cylinders. And I wanted something that would turn on and off by itself with a lever, and so I settled on a lifting magnet that could lift steel 500 pounds vertically of round material, and I mounted it to a cart. And that allows me to hold a cylinder in vertical position that weighs much less than 500 pounds safely with no fear of it releasing the cylinder.
Okay, and what models do you currently have available?
We have two models available, one for use on the welding supply docks for your retail customers, and it's also very handy in the welding shops of our welding distributors. Our second model is a dual cylinder cart that has two magnets activated by one lever that allows you to work your truck drivers and your plant personnel to move multiple cylinders at a time safely and quickly.
Speaking of safety, talk about some of the features that are included in the cart that make sure that the distributors stay safe while they're moving the cylinders.
Well, our cylinders not only have a magnet that's overrated for the weight it's holding, we have a safety blade lever on both carts that you activate to slide under the cylinder before you start moving the cylinder from one place to another. That way, if the magnet is turned off or for some unseemly reason fails, the cylinder will drop less than half an inch to a safety plate, and effectively you have a hand truck at that point, but you don't lose the cylinder.
Awesome. And for distributors who are interested in placing an order or doing a demo, how should they go about doing that? Who should they contact?
They can order us from us directly, and we will refer the order to the nearest GAWDA welding distributor for that sale.
Awesome. And Jan made a quick video that we're going to weave into this. It's a little bit more professionally done, but check this out. And if you're interested in a Cyli Cart, contact Jan and get a demo set up and get an order placed.
Welcome to Cyli Cart. After 43 years in the welding industrial supply industry, I'm aware of the safety dangers of transporting cylinders in small quantities. Every time you try to tilt a cylinder to roll it yourself or to load it on a hand truck, you're in danger of losing control of it. There are numerous injuries that have occurred by tilting a cylinder, trying to roll it yourself or load it on a forklift or load it on a hand truck. When we get the cart up to the cylinder, we just engage the magnet, lock on, we're ready to transport. Before we move, we engage the safety blade under the cylinder as an added safety feature. The blade levers are clearly marked as well. One of the things we've done with our single cylinder cart is enlarge the base to accommodate a welding machine. We've found out that people in the restaurant and food industry business can use something like this to get around in tight spaces in a facility with the whole welding system intact. Back injuries, arm injuries, shoulder injuries, foot injuries from people losing control of the cylinders. They fall, they try to catch them, or they hit somebody else. We've developed a cart now that you don't have to tilt the cylinder at all to move it anywhere you want to move it.